Hey guys and gals, Jesse over here at Jesse Griffith Repairs, Elk City, Oklahoma. Just want to talk to you a little bit. I talked to you in another video about protecting your vehicle, which is your second largest investment. And I want to dive into that rabbit hole just a little bit deeper on how that we can protect that vehicle more. And what do I mean by protecting it more? Well, in every vehicle there's fluids and chemicals. The fluids and chemicals is actually what wears out first. Lots of people know that you change your engine oil on a regular basis. They don't necessarily know that you change your transmission fluid and your radiators and all the other stuff, all the other fluids. But I want to talk to us more in depth about the engine oil in this video. We actually represent a company called BG Products, and they have a 3-part kit that we do with every oil change. It consists of 3 parts. There's a cleaner that we dump in the old oil. We let the car run. It circulates all that through it. It cleans all the carbon and the inefficiencies, the sludge and all that dirty stuff out of the engine. It drains out with the oil. We install MOA in with the new oil. We put it in there, and then it repels all the carbon that's trying to build up. It makes the surfaces slicker for where the bearings dry. It inhibits the life of the oil. And then the last part of that 3-part kit is the 44K. We dump it in the fuel system. It cleans up the fuel system. It gets rid of any water that's in the fuel system. It cleans the injectors, allowing them to become more fuel efficient. What this will do for your vehicle is it will make it more fuel efficient, because over time, as these deposits build up in the fuel system and the oil, the car has to work harder to produce power. Therefore, it burns more fuel. Therefore, it runs harder. Therefore, it becomes less efficient. So a clean engine is an efficient engine. So what we're going to do is clean it up. So with that, I'm excited. I run BG on my own products and on my own vehicles because I want to protect the investments that I've made in those vehicles. Does not it make it sense that you want to protect your vehicle, which is a huge investment for you? That's why we proudly represent this product.